What is up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see, I got the F-150 behind me yet again. That thing just keeps on getting new parts every time. You should be so lucky. And there it is, guys. We overnighted parts from Japan.
We have to overnight parts from Japan.
And when I mean Japan, guys, I mean Taiwan. What do we have in store for the F-150 today? Drum roll, please. Oh yeah, we got some taillights. You guessed wrong. We got some taillights. Oh, it's backwards. Here are the beauties up close and personal. Now from the title you can already tell I got these suckers off of eBay. And in true eBay fashion, no instructions, just the parts themselves. But they're taillights, guys. It shouldn't be that difficult. These should be just plug and play. They do have their own resistors. It is also stick and play. You got double-sided tape over here. So there's two of them here. 1, 2. It's mostly plugs, mostly playing. And now bear in mind, guys, that is the base F-150, as in there's no parking assistance, there's no sensors on the back. Those are basic, generic, halogen taillights, not LEDs, nothing like that. They're normies. Alright, with all that said, guys, let's go ahead and focus on the installation of the taillights for the F-150. Should be pretty simple stuff, guys. You'll have here two bolts. That's a little hidden back there. Might be a little hard to reach. Alright, it's much better on this side. There you go. There's 1 and 2. That's what it's going to look like if you do not have a tailgate assist like I have, because we're going to have to pop that out to reach that sucker right in there. Whew. Fun stuff. Alright, that was literally like 5 minutes. Basically, remove those two bolts on the side, and then you need to jiggle the taillight a little bit just to loosen up the clips. It's like one right there, another one in there. I mean, you just got to pull it out gently, and then you'll have this one plug here. And you're good, guys. You'll have the taillight free. Now here's a little side-by-side comparison. Now remember, this is a 2018 factory taillight, and this is the eBay 2018 to 2019 taillight. You can tell it's got the line that goes around like this. If you look on the LED versions, that one is nice. It has like the daytime running version of that. They kind of have this, but instead of cutting it into two, like over here, it's one single LED that stays on. But this is just a comparison, guys. Let's go ahead and hook it up to the truck and see how everything looks. Alright, let's check it out. I haven't put it in yet. I just plugged it in to see where we're at, see if everything functions. Now this is unlocking the truck. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so it works. Let's lock the truck now. Unlock. Alright, looks good. It works. And it looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and patch it up, guys. Obviously, we have to attach the two resistors. I'm going to put them right over here since it's the cleanest, as well as the most space that I have. Everything else is like, look at that. We got dirt pouring in. So we got a flat surface. I'm going to stick the two resistors onto there, and then we're going to go ahead and plug this baby in and do the other one. And there you have it. eBay taillights for 2018 to 2019 Ford F-150 have been installed, guys. Very, very simple installation. This is literally all you need. Your basic ratchet set to take off those two little bolts. And then this is not really necessary. I only did that because I have the tailgate assist in the way. So if you do have a tailgate assist that I recommend it to you, then all you got to do is grab a T40, loosen this guy up, and then you can slide this out the way, and you'll have access to that bolt right back there. I don't know, where is it? There you go. That bolt back there. But other than that, guys, taillights look awesome. I love it. It's not bad, I should say. Everything works. So far, everything's functional. My only downside with this is that there is gap in between Yeah, between the actual body and the tail light. On the original headlights, they fit perfectly, obviously. They match up, and it'll get tucked in, but you can see a gap. There you go. You can even see the white body paint behind the tail light. I try to push it as much as I can to push it in the clip. It looks like they're just shy. Kind of looks better there, but this is what it's tacked onto. Now, hopefully, it's not a big issue with me, but I just hope that water doesn't affect the integrity of the taillights or condensation buildup or whatever, affect the resistors or something. That's my only drawback with these taillights. But guys, for $260, not bad. You have nothing interfering, you know, tailgate's gonna work, nothing's gonna collide. Same issue over here is just that little gap. See if I can get focus here. It's not as bad on this side as it is the other side, but you can see there's a little bit of play. I'll try tightening down these bolts. Maybe it requires a bit more torquing down. But guys, that is gonna do it. 2018 to 2019 eBay tail lights. I will link them down below for $260, guys. Not bad. You could probably fork in another $100 and get the Anzos, which I don't know. It's entirely up to you in styling, but I like these. These aren't bad. They're $100 cheaper too. I will do an update video a little bit down the line, guys, because they are eBay, so it's a little iffy there. Overall, I think they're pretty cool. I like them. If it were up to me, I would have gone for the factory LEDs. The ones that are all red, you know, basically the LED versions of the factory taillights that I have. But that's a lot of modification required. This was pretty much simple plug and play stuff, so it's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace. Take care.